To stop your children from installing application and games like Free Fire, PUBG in iPhone, what you do is go to this settings option here, go to this option screen time, select this option turn on screen time, select this option turn on screen time, tap on this option. This is my iPhone. Scroll down and go to this option use screen time passcode, enter the screen time passcode, again re-enter. This screen time passcode will be different than the passcode that you use to open the iPhone. Now you can enter your Apple ID if you want to reset the screen time passcode in case you forget it. I will not forget, so I will select this option cancel and then skip. After that, go to content and privacy restrictions, enable this option content and privacy restriction, enter the screen time passcode, go to content restrictions, go to apps and select this option 4+. After that, close it. Now if your children goes to App Store and if they try to search and download, for example, PUBG, let us see what happens. Select PUBG Mobile. Now they won't be able to download the application because it is restricted. Now here you have to note one more thing. If you have already installed applications which is rated above 4+, then those applications will be hidden from your iPhone. And if you want to show those applications, you have to turn off screen time, which you can do by going to settings, going to this option screen time, and then select this option turn off screen time and enter the passcode. Once you turn off the screen time, you will find that many of the application icons will be missing. And if you have to bring all those app icons back, what you do is you go to this settings option here, go to this option general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, go to reset and select this option reset home screen layout and then reset home screen. Once you do it, all the app icon will be available on the home screen of your iPhone.